that you would do on the homepage, where the 4 goals are to basically facilitate intuitive navigation, answer questions, quell the fear and skepticism. So one great strategy is you have your contact us form on one side and you have a small video on the other side that tells the user, after you fill out this form, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get an email from us. It might get lost in your junk mail. So just, keep an eye out for it, but we'll get a hold of you. And if you don't hear from us, reach out again because something's gone funny, whatever you want to do. Just so multimedia is great on a contact us page, right? And simple. Let me just tell you what you have to think about with everything you do is you have to think about that person in a Starbucks line who is on their phone and they're looking for a service and they've got the contact page open and then they're all of a sudden at the front counter and the person's like, what would you like? And they're, hold on, name, address, oh my God, they want my phone number. Oh my God, they want this. Name, phone number, email. If you can get rid of the phone number, you'll get more responses. Anything additional will slowly deteriorate the number of people that fill in your form, right? Less is more.
It's
Sorry.
what's the minimal amount of information that you need to gather on this form
On the
in order for it to be a success?
So on a lot of contact pages, you'll have the phone number, make it clickable. You'll have email that people can click an email, and then you'll have the form. Why do you do that? Because different people are different. Some people just want to pick up the phone. Some people want to click on the email link. Some people want to fill out the form. And that's where you'll see the difference on if you have a form that's lengthy and you have a phone number that's clickable or an email that's clickable, you'll probably get more emails, right? Or phone clicks. Less is more when it comes to the contact form on the contact page.